Isang maganda at mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. Napadaan po tayo para batiin ang isa pong kaibigan ng Sa Barangay Tayo. Happy birthday to our most beloved Dr. Miguel Ortiz, National President of ACCERT. On this very special day, we extend our warmest greetings and heartfelt wishes for your happiness, good health, and continued success. May your heart overflow with joy, and may your family be surrounded with love and blessings as you celebrate your birthday. What makes this even more meaningful is that your birthday coincides with the 9th anniversary of ACCERT, a true double celebration of life, unity, and purpose. This milestone is not only a reminder of how far we have come as an organization, but also a testament to the strength, vision, and dedication of leaders like you who inspire us to move forward with passion and determination. May our organization continue to flourish, guided by the values of solidarity, service, and compassion. As we celebrate both your life and collective journey, we pray that ACCERT will remain steadfast in advancing its advocacies for the welfare of our members and the communities we serve across NCR, the regions, and the entire nation. Cheers to you po, Dr. Ortiz, and cheers to ACCERT. May the years ahead bring even greater achievements and blessings for you and for all of us. From NCR Family Deputy Director NCR, Joan Ben Danillo. Please subscribe nga pala to Golden Nation Network if you want to watch Sa Barangay Tayo at sa ating personal channel, Pambansang Kagawad YouTube channel. Again, Dr. Ortiz from your Sa Barangay Tayo family, happy birthday po.
Sa Barangay Tayo, ikaw at ako. Sa Barangay Tayo, sa Barangay Tayo, ikaw at ako.
Nagbibigay ng aral sa mga